Hey friends, if you encounter something went wrong Gmail error, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to clear the browsing data. And how would you do that? So let's say that we were accessing it in Microsoft Edge browser, which is the best browser out there. So click on these three dots at the top right corner, select history, click on this bin symbol here, change the time range to all time, click on clear now. Next solution is to check the internet connection speed. Go to fast.com and hit enter. This will show the internet connection speed. Okay, the next one is to use a different internet connection. For example, if I'm connected to the 5G network right now, I can try connecting to the 2.5G network. If it appears here, it needs a while to appear. I mean, just connect it to a different network if it is available. Okay, the next one is to use the incognito or private mode for it. So you here's what you can do. Click on these three dots at the top right corner and then select new in private window and then try to access Gmail through the in private window. Okay, gmail.com, and then once it opens, enter your email address and the password. The last is to use a different browser. For example, if you're using Edge, search for Chrome, open Google Chrome, type gmail.com and access it. Okay, was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.